What is going on, everybody, and welcome to this comparison video between the Apple Watch Series 3 on the left and the Apple Watch Series 4 on the right side. Let's get straight into it right after the intro. The Apple Watch Series 3 is the 42mm model and the Apple Watch Series 4 is the new 44mm model. Both are the GPS models in space gray. Looking at the housings of both watches, we can see that a lot of stuff has changed. The new watch is a bit bigger with a 30% bigger screen, going from edge to edge with rounded corners, but it is also a bit thinner. But to be fair, both changes are not really notable when the watch is on your wrist. The buttons on the Series 4 are a bit different as well, and the digital crown is now giving haptic feedback. Later this year, it should also get the function to create an ECG through the digital crown. Also, the speaker is now louder, and the back of the watch got a new design and is made out of ceramic. Last but not least, there are also two new chips with the powerful S4 and the W3, so the Apple Watch Series 4 is faster than ever. In the next couple of minutes, I will scroll through the watch faces of both watches next to each other and will also open up photos and a couple of apps. So I will just leave you with it for now and will be back towards the end of the video. As you can see, everything is way bigger on the Apple Watch Series 4 and the apps and especially photos look way better on the new edge-to-edge screen. Let me know what you think about the new Apple Watch Series 4 and if you think it's worth the upgrade in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this on my channel in the future. Thanks for watching and see you next time.